I closed. I thought you're gonna get something. Oh, lamig.
You want your seat warming? Your bottom?
Yeah, it's so cold. The seat. Lamig.
Right, with your door open. You must not have closed it properly.
Where are we going? Stafford Center? Gagala ulit kami. Manchester, isn't it? How many hours?
Oh, 53 hours.
1 hour.
You can read it as well as I can, madam.
I cannot see your phone.
53 minutes.
53 minutes. Ah!
Yeah.
Okay. So, tumigil kami dito guys sa Morrison Gasoline Station. Naggagas si Mr. Siya ang naggagas kasi hindi naman uso dito ang mga gasoline boy. Katulad dyan sa atin sa Pinas. Hindi pa ako marunong maggasolina. Next time, papaturo ako. Pero sa ngayon, kaya niya na yan. Saka na ako mag-aaral maggasoli-gasolina. So, sa Manchester pala kami pupunta. Medyo malayo din yun. 1 hour. So, yata, tapos na ata siya. Magbabayad na lang. It looks busy.
It won't be when you get inside.
Lamig. It's nice. Uy, hindi siya masyadong busy ngayon, guys. Last time punta kami dito, sobrang busy. The last time we were here, it's too busy, isn't it? It's quite crowded.
Yeah.
Let's go and find the toilet first.
That's what I'm taking you.
So bright, even though we're inside. Rabbits. You don't need bed anymore if you're gonna have this.
Downstairs.
Only a steamer, microwave steamer sterilizer. So, ayun. Ang gamit ng baby. Pump. Breast pump. But there is manual.
£100.
Yeah, but there is manual, isn't it? This one is electric, 300.
Yeah. But they're for wearing wearing under your clothes.
Yeah.
So manual one there is £40. And the next to it's the electric one at 132.
Full of babies. Baby things. So, kumain na kami guys ni Mr. Vietnamese food. Hindi na ako nag-video, napakarami kasing tao. Hindi sila makasama sa video. So, dito kami sa Market Spencer, natingin ang swaddle. Swaddle. Puro baby stuff. I love daddy. Oh. This is nicer. I love mine. Mommy. Yeah. 10. 1. There is 15 pounds. But 5 pieces. So we don't need. We just look. The white. We already have a white.
What, 6? 5?
5. 1, 5.
How many you got?
Oh, we have a lot now.
Right.
I just look. So they're not too bad at Mark Spencer.
Really dearly one. So ultimately, what I wanted,
1 month.
what we've done with you.
Same here, 15. And how many pieces? Mura pala dito sa Mark and Spencer, guys. So 15, ganito siya, short sleeves bodysuit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces. Ang galing. 10 pound and how many pieces? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spaghetti strap.
Straps a minute spaghetti.
Yeah. We call it spaghetti straps. And these are pinks. So it's not too bad here, isn't it? 3 slip suits. 14. Hindi pala siya ganun kamahal sa Mark and Spencer. It's cheap, isn't it? For babies.
These are for taking them out.
Yeah,
winter.
in the winter. Don't take out. Dito na, kikay-kikay. Medyo, ay, hindi din. 8 pound. So, itong pants ay 16 pounds. How many pieces? 5. Hindi pala siya ganun kamahal. My pants. 15 pounds. Toket din. And it's 12 pound. 1 pieces. So 2 pieces, 10 pound. Cute. How much is this? Swimwear. 14 pound. Newborn. So this is newborn. 3-4. What does that mean? 3-4-2. 3 pieces for 8 pound. 9 pound. Oh, 2 pieces. 2-4. 7. 10 pound. So, mas mura sa Mark and Spencer, guys. Looks good. £5. 5 sweets, short sleeves for £5. Yan yung quality, maganda rin. Mura dito guys sa Primarks. Pang baby.
Only with the jugs on, look.
They're a lot cheaper here. £5 for 5 pieces.
15 pounds.
Yeah. 15. Nice. Maybe they have swaddle. Like this. Oh, mister. The swaddle that I'm talking about. But not this. Parang ganito yung hinahanap kong swaddle. Pero hindi ganito cloth. How much? £4. So, £4 yung ganyan nila. Ito maganda rin. Yeah, it look like this, but the cloth is different. It's £4. Dito pala mura mamili sa Primarks. Size, how much are this? £6. Long sleeve. So, £7 for 3 pieces. 350. But if I'm gonna get one, I want this color.
That one or the lion?
This.
You want the sheep?
Or, yeah, the lion is nice. But I don't want.
It's only £5.
It's so small. Uwi na guys. Let's go. Init, but I want to take this off. Yeah, it's open, isn't it? The rides and everything. I hope it will help me to give birth next week.
How many?
So, nakauwi na kami guys. Ang nabili lang namin ay ito sa Marks Spencer. Kay Mr. Dalawang shirt lang. Ayaw pa nga niya. Pero sabi ko, gusto ko, kailangan ko. Kaya no choice siya. So, dalawa. May ganito kulay na siya. Halos ang mga damit niya kasi ay pare-pareho lang talaga ng kulay. Tapos ito. Ayaw pa. Dalawa nga lang nakuha namin. Wala yung talagang hinahanap ko ng mga polo para sana sa kanya. Wala sila. Masyado pa daw maaga. Or parang late na. Mali na yung season. Kasi yun ay madalas during summer. Tapos pumunta kami ng Primark. Ang laki ng Primark doon sa Manchester. So, ito pang baby towel. Mura lang naman. 5 pound lang to. So, ang cute. And then, itong panty, wala nang sizes. Kasi extra small pala ako dito. Sa Pinas kasi, large or XL ako. So, dito, extra small. So, 4 pieces to ay 3.50 pounds. And then, isang leggings. Isa lang sabi ko kay Mr. kasi may mga leggings naman ako. So, itong leggings na to, mura lang din. Extra small and 3 pounds. And then, shirts. So, I got 3 shirts. 2 whites with print. And another white. Medium. And then, green. I think it will fit on me. Medium. Na iba lang kulay. I want to try
Are you
it.
talking to me?
Talking to camera. I want to open the vacuum also. I'm so excited with the vacuum. It's white. Yeah, I want to try it. The vacuum. Are you gonna open it? Oh, it's white. Before they don't have, isn't it? From Aldi. 49 pound. Parang 50 pound. 49 something. So, cordless. Battery operated. They're nice. I'll try it later. This. This is so cute. With hood. Yeah. Oh, I'm excited with the vacuum because I want vacuum.
I know. As soon as I saw it, I thought, 50 quid, 250 quid. I'll save 200 pounds.
And this is just good enough to, you know, clean the floor.
That's what I thought.
You don't need a
For
100.
50 pound, it might be just what we
Ito
need
yung
because we're
vacuum.
only doing this. I'll see.
Vacuum. White. It's nice. I don't know how to put. Did you remember my glucose result? I think it's 7.3. Si Mr. Pagbubuuin ko. Mga kami ng Aldi kasi wala na siyang prutas kung baon sa work. Dapat lagi siyang may prutas. So, sabi ko, ang tagal ko nang gusto ng vacuum. Ang gusto pa niya yung mahal. Okay na to. Panlinis araw-araw dito sa baba at saka sa taas sa kwarto. So, ayan. Cute. Diba? Ganito itsura niya, guys. Oh. Pag nabuo. Mukha siyang magaan. Kaya meron kaming vacuum dito. Ang mahal-mahal daw na bigay nung kapatid niya. Bigat naman. Yung gamitin. Ay! So, ipapabuo ko yan sa kanya. Ako lang mag-open ng boxes. You have to assemble. Oh, look at that. Some accessories. Oh, there's another. They're not bad. This is the charger. Oh. Charger. Very for another accessories, I think. And what is this? Ay, putres to. I think this is stand.
That's for stand to hold it on the
Isn't
wall.
it? Yeah. There's another one here. I think this is the handle. Ito yung handle ata. Okay. So, ito nga. And the manual. Ito manual. Nasa ito yung kailalim. Cute. Vacuum na araw-araw. This is the handle nito. You hold the back. Put the paper inside. Yun. Ah, it's cute. It's nice. It's not too heavy. Ay! Ay! It's working, means. Nanangalan sa office. How many hours per charging?
4.5.
4.5. Tinatry natin ng distance. Ngayon, ganda siya. Ganda rin. Like muraita lang. Pero mahal na po sa Pinas. 550 pound. How much in the Philippines? Around 4,000, isn't it? Expensive.
25.
3.5. Around 4. Because it's more than 71 now. It's not too bad yung vacuum. Maganda siyang gamitin. Mura lang yan.